Hi, today I'm showing off our new Sun oven. We just unpacked it this morning and set it up. Couldn't have been easier. All you have to do is take the protective film off these panels, set them up around the cooking chamber, and angle this towards the sun. The oven right now has been about 40 minutes in the sun, and we're up at a temperature of about 325 degrees. Right now we've got something cooking in here, and it looks like it's just about ready to come out. So all we're going to do is take some protective oven mitts or a handy towel. We're going to loosen up the cover and open it up. Wow, it's hot in here. Wow. Let's see what we've got. Trying not to touch the sides.
Big Dad needs something skinnier.
And we've got some beautiful, delicious brownies. Homemade in our 350-degree solar oven, all the while reducing our carbon footprint. We couldn't be more happy.
Ready to go, Dad? Yeah?